Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini are charging? So, to check it, we need to connect them to the power. At the right headphone, right here we have this plug. You need to open it. And here is USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable to this port. And near to the port right here we have the LED light. So if you see red LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.